In this video, we're going to show you how to keep your stock accurate. Know what you have, spot what is running low, and stay audit ready. Once your stock is set up, the day-to-day is all about keeping it accurate. It starts here, with stock levels, under the stock menu. Open the stock menu and choose stock levels. This is your live picture, how much of everything you have, and where. Anything running low is flagged for you, so you can reorder before you run out. Every single change to your stock is written down here, in movement history. A delivery coming in, an item used on a patient, a correction. Nothing moves without a record, which is exactly what an auditor wants to see. If you move stock from one place to another, say from your main store out to theatre, you fill in a short transfer. Pick the product, where it is coming from, and where it is going, and both locations stay correct. When something is damaged, out of date, or a count just does not match, you make an adjustment. Small ones can go through on their own, while bigger write-offs wait for a manager to approve them. Every so often you will count everything properly. A stock take lets you plan a full count, tick items off, and see exactly where what you counted differs from what the system expected. Here is a finished one. It shows how many items were counted and highlights the few that came up short, with the value of the difference. Counting everything at once is a big job. Cycle counts spread it out, so you check a small, sensible handful every week, your most valuable items most often, and you're never far from an accurate figure. Sometimes stock needs to be set aside, a fridge that ran warm, or something that looks damaged. You put it on a quarantine hold, which locks it so nobody can use it by mistake until it has been checked. Each hold keeps the full story, what is affected, why, and how it was resolved. And if a manufacturer or the regulator issues a recall, you log it here. Velastria helps you find the affected batches in your own stock and tracks what you did about them, so you have proof you acted. Finally, the numbers. Your metrics dashboard shows the total value of your stock, where it is tied up, and what is expiring soon. And the slow-moving report gently points out what has been sitting on the shelf and money you might be able to free up. Look at these now and then, and nothing gets away from you. So keep an eye on your levels, count little and often, set aside anything suspect, and glance at your reports. Do that, and your stock stays accurate, safe, and ready for inspection without ever taking over your week.